Hello guys, welcome to Forex Success. So guys, let's quickly check out. Okay, yeah. So guys, this is volatility strategy. Yeah, volatility index strategy for volatility 75 index, Vix50 index, Vix25 index, and Vix10 index. Guys, this is a very powerful strategy for you to make money. Okay, right now I placed a buy for volatility 50 index using the 5-minute time frame, considering the fact that the condition for this strategy is met. So let's see how it goes. So this is volatility 25 index that I placed a buy on, and also I placed a sell on volatility 10 index using the strategy also. So guys, I'm waiting to see how it goes. So before then, let me show you how you can set your indicators for the strategy. It's a very powerful strategy, guys. It works for volatility 10 index, volatility 25 index, volatility 50 index, and 75 index, and also 75 1x index. So this is a very good strategy, guys. It will help you make money for yourself. Okay, let's move over to how you set your indicators for this strategy. Okay, let me clean the indicators. Let me delete everything so we can set it together. So guys, this is moving average. I'm deleting it right now. Okay, so guys, the first indicator we need for this strategy, you can see the chart is clean now. Look, it's buying. The chart is clear now. So let's set our indicators for this strategy. So what is the first indicator? We'll need the awesome oscillator. You click on add, then you look for the awesome oscillator, which is this awesome oscillator. The levels, look, the levels. Add, you click on add level button. You click on add level button, then you put the description at 0, just the way you see it on my screen. Then you click done. This is the awesome oscillator at the bottom here. Then the next indicator you will need, guys, is the moving average. On the main window, you look for the moving average. Yeah, moving average. You set the period to period 21. Yeah, period 21. Then shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Let's take red 3 pixel for the style. You click save, then you're done. The last indicator is the moving average again. Yeah, you put it at in the main window, moving average. Take it to period 10, shift 0, exponential, method exponential, apply to close. Then the color, let's use red. Then 3 pixel for the style. You click done. Okay. Oh, sorry guys, let's change this color so it will be understanding. Let's use black for the second moving average. Using black. Okay, save and done. Yeah, so this is, we have black and red moving average right now. So guys, this is the strategy for volatilities. Okay, what do you need to trade this strategy? Look, 2 conditions. Watch out for the awesome oscillator and the intersection of the moving averages. So guys, to place a buy using this strategy, you wait for the black moving average to cross above the red moving average. That is the first condition. And the number 2, you wait for the awesome oscillator to move above the 0 level. As you can see at this point of intersection, the awesome oscillator was already above the 0 level. So this is a buy, guy. This is a buy signal. So that's why I placed this buy. So you patiently wait for the money to come into your account. Yeah, that's just what you need. As far as the 2 conditions are met, you place your trade. You can take your stop loss and put it below the moving average, because the moving average serve as a dynamic support and resistance level. So you put your stop loss below this moving average, and then the market will go for you. That is it, guys. It's a very simple strategy. So this is how you buy. You wait for the black moving average to cross above the red moving average and the awesome oscillator above the zero level. You place a buy. To place a sell, guys, to know when the market will sell, you wait for the red moving average to cross above the black moving average and the awesome oscillator to be below the zero level. Once the awesome oscillator is below the zero level and the red moving average is above the black moving average, you place your sell. Very powerful strategy, guys. Anywhere it works. Look again, even at this point it works. Look at this point, guys. A very good entry. Look for a sell. The red moving average crossed above the black moving average, and then at this below the zero level, guys, the awesome oscillator. It's a very powerful strategy. When you see the conditions are met, both conditions, you enter the trade and then you make money to the glory of God. Look again, it crossed above and it sold. It crossed, yeah, the black crossed above the red, it's a buy. When the red crossed above the black, it's a sell. Continuously making money from the market. You can see it's still buying. Look at our trade. It's still on the buy. You can see, guys, we're still making money right here. Yeah, so that is it for the volatility 25 index and the volatility 10 index that we use this strategy on. So it's still giving us money. It's a very powerful strategy, guys. Very powerful strategies. So let's check out volatility 50 index. It will also make money for you. Look, it crossed above. You can see, guys, it crossed above the red, crossed above the black. It's a sell, and the awesome oscillator is below the zero level. The sell is sure, guys. If you see this at this point, you place a sell and you make the market. You make money from there. You can see that it's a very good strategy, guys. A very good strategy. Look at this point. Look at this point. It crossed above here. The black moving average crossed above the red moving average, and then the awesome oscillator was above the zero level. This is a buy. Look, continuously making money from the market with this strategy, guys. A lot of people are making money with this strategy. Look, it crossed above again. It works at this point. Look again, it happened here. Guys, anywhere in the market it happens. Just trade with good risk management. Yeah, it happens. Look, you can see it happens again. Continuously you make money trading. This is how you can make money, guys, trading volatilities. Exactly. So remember, guys, the indicators is the moving average, the awesome oscillator, first moving average, period 21, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, then the style 3 pixel, use color, any color of your choice, guys. The next indicator, the same parameters except for the period, which is 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, and the style is also 3 pixel. You use another color so you will be able to differentiate them correctly. Then the awesome oscillator, you just make the levels 0, 0, then the value up, you use green, use 3 pixel. Then for the value down, you use another color, which is like red. You click done. So that is just the strategy, guys. It's simple but powerful. Yeah, this is Forex Success, guys. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop a new video. You can check out our strategies down the description. Yeah, the link to most of our videos is down the description below, so you can check there to watch the crash and boom powerful strategy and the step in the strategy to make money for yourself. So that is it, guys. We give you great strategy right here in Forex Success. Yeah, so you can check out those videos, and if you want to open an account with Deriv. Click on the link at the description below to open an account with Deriv so you can start making money to trading volatilities, trading crash and boom. Yeah, so guys, you can see for this volatility 10 index, it's making money for us. You can see the sell on the market moving on our direction. So guys, this is how this strategy works. So open an account with Deriv via the link at the description and start trading, guys. Join our Telegram group. The link is also at the description below. Thank you guys for watching. This is Forex Success.